Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video I will show how to fix warning camera failed problem in Samsung. This problem keeps show up when try to open camera. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to phone setting, then scroll down, tap on apps, then search camera. Search camera, click on camera, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Go back and click on force stop and tap on OK. Now press on power button, tap on reset and tap on reset normally on phone. Now open on camera. Camera problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.